And the next thing I will do here is try remove this black area, these shadows. So I will just take clone stamp tool and select this image and try paint here. Just hold Alt and paint on this area. I just want to remove this black area. And also this black color is problem for us because it will be too shiny. And this part here is so black and it will create a lot of problems, and but it's too hard to paint on this. So I think I will go with this rectangle tool and just bring opacity down, and we can just now I think double click here. We can move this here. Okay, and I think I can now convert this to smart object and rasterize. So I can now take this eraser tool and just remove just little this hard edges here. And we can now bring this to Blender and see how this looks. And we can reduce this black color here and copy this. So I will go with another color M and with bump, plug to high and to normal. And the only thing I want to do here is remove bumps, a lot of bumps from here, and we can use also this image. So I will go again with color M, and I will try isolate only this black and white color. So if we convert this all to black and the rest of image all to white, we can use this as vector. So now we can copy this image once more time. So we don't need copy, we just need to mix RGB, and I will set this color to red, this color to input 2, and now we can use this as vector. So we can see where is red color. I will set to black, and black means zero information. So if we plug this to bump, to hide here, we get zero information here. And now we can control this with this black color. So if we go more to white, we get some information, but not too much. And black is zero information, and white is all information. So we can easily control this. So I want just a little bump here. So we get a lot of bumps here, but less bump here. And it's look too shiny here, so I will just bring these white values to about here, and maybe just reduce this bump a little. And this is before bump in roughness map, and this is after. And I think for now is good, but we can always play with this later and see what we can improve. And now we can bring these photo scans to our scene. So I will share this file with you, and I will copy this. And in part 2 of this tutorial, I will show you how we can make photo scans like this. So for now, just copy this and place these objects here. And we can see that our line go out of this hole. So I think okay. Rotate this on Z to match this part here, and I will scale this up. So I will make just quick render to see how this looks. And we just need to take time and play a little more with this. So I think line looks pretty good. So first we need just delete this part down. And this part on side. And with C, we also we can select this part here and delete them. And next is this part here. So I will try delete this top part. Let's see. Delete vertices, and we can here select all and scale this on y-axis. So press S, Y and choose value. I will try 0.4 and scale Y point. If you go to 0.1, you will scale this by 19%. So I will try go with 0.3. So S Y 0.3. Okay, and I see here that this color is much brighter than this one, so I will just go to material and adjust this a little. So I will just bring RGB curves and bring this value to and I can now try another render. So this is before and this is after. And maybe we go too much with white colors here, so I will just bring a little down. And the next we want to do here is copy this roughness and bump information to our photo scans. So just copy this, select this lion, and if you see, this is separate material, so just paste this here and connect this to roughness and this to normal. And if I click Control and Shift on this and go to material preview, you can see that UV doesn't match. But this UV we have here is from this photo scan. So we just need plug this UV here and go with another UV map and plug this UV map here. So now when we have selected this UV map, we can go to View, Project from View, and we can select our image here and just project this to lion. It will not be perfect, but it will be much better than before. Okay, now you can see how this looks. And do same thing with this part here. So add another UV map. You can see that here is red because we don't have UV map for this object. And again, View, Project from View, and move this to this part here. Okay, and just back this material here. And we get some bump and roughness information here. You can see this bump information here. And I think we are done with this city door. So only thing I do here is this details here. And I will show you how I do this. So we can just go to edit mode and select face selection, and duplicate this with Shift D, and now press P and selection. Now we isolate, we separate this object, set origin to geometry, and now you can just take knife and cut this part. And I don't want to finish all this, but you can finish all this to end, and the only thing you need to do here is just extrude on Y and go with Ctrl B. And you get this nice details here. And I think this part here is maybe a little too flat, so we can just quickly create one detail here. And I will add one loop cut here, and this circle I will set in the middle in UV editor. So just go with G, and now we can quickly model this. So I will go with I to insert, and maybe scale on y-axis, and go with subdivide twice. And now you just need enable loop tool add-on in your preferences. And press circle and scale this down, and go with I to insert. And now I will go with Control plus, and extrude this on x-axis, so E and X. And now I will deselect this part in the middle, and extrude again EX and Control B. So I don't want to bevel these edges inside, so I will just manually quickly select this. Control B, and maybe we can play a little more with this. Subdivide again and select this middle part, and with proportional editing you can go with G to grab and X axis, and now scroll mouse down to see this brush and move this on X axis. And just project this in UV editor again. So select this middle part and go with Control plus, and now you need to go with View, project from View, and project this here. And now we have this nice detail here. And the next thing we will do here is this heads.